Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best brake flaring tools is probably one of the most important investments you can make as a DIY car enthusiast or professional mechanic, ensuring precision and safety when working on your vehicle's braking system. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right brake flaring tool based on your needs and budget, covering various types, features, and functionalities to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Titan 51535 Double Flaring Tool. This tool makes creating perfect double flares a breeze. It's designed for 3/16-inch steel and nickel copper tubing, ideal for automotive brake line repairs. You get the flaring tool with a removable handle, a positioning bolt, a double-ended punch, and even dye lubricant. Everything you need is included. It creates a precise inverted 45-degree SAE double flare. This is the standard for automotive brake lines, ensuring a reliable and leak-free connection. Its compact design lets you work in tight spaces, perfect for undercar repairs. No need to remove brake lines for repairs, fix them in place. Remove the handle and use it in a bench vise for easier access and better control. It's adaptable to your workspace and repair needs. 3/16-inch brake lines are common on most cars and trucks, making this tool incredibly versatile. It's a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Remember, it's not recommended for stainless steel tubing. Always refer to your vehicle's specifications for the correct tubing type. What we like. It's designed for tight spaces, perfect for on-the-go brake line repairs. If you need a tool for quick fixes under the car, this is the one for you. Its compact size makes it ideal for those hard-to-reach spots. What people say. Although not a perfect match to the OEM bubble flare, if you just perform Operation 1, you end up with a bubble flare that matches the factory bubble flare super closely. Made bubble flares for Will cylinders with zero issues, no leaks whatsoever. Replaced brake lines while still on van, and this tool worked excellently in tight spaces per making double flares and using brake line fittings and unions, no leaks. So simple to use, especially in tight spaces. Makes a perfect flare every time. Also, I have used it to make a workable bubble flare by using only one side of the die. A great tool. Number 4. Thorstone Flaring Tool Kit. Introducing the Thorstone Flaring Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating perfect flares. It's designed for various applications and built to last. This versatile kit handles copper, aluminum, magnesium, and soft steel brake lines and brass tubing. It's perfect for brake lines, air conditioning, and HVAC work. It's built with premium heat-treated steel for strength and durability. The chrome swivel reduces friction for smooth operation. The kit includes a flaring cone, flaring bar, tube cutter, 5 adapters, and a blow-molded case for easy storage and transport. Everything you need is right here. You get one flaring cone, one flaring bar, a tube cutter, 5 adapters, and a convenient carrying case. It's ready to go right out of the box. We stand behind our products with lifetime support and 24/7 customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit comes with various adapters and a cutter, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for different tubing types and sizes, this is your best bet. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. This kit works as advertised and did a great job of double flaring my brake lines. No leaks when assembled. Needed to flare some brake lines and had no experience. Watched some videos, picked up this flaring tool kit. And 30 minutes later had new flared brake lines. Did a few practice runs to get the feel for the tool, and after some adjustments to my technique, worked great for me. This kit made replacing my brake lines much easier than expected. After watching some YouTube videos and making a couple test joints double flares, I was able to replace all the brake lines in my truck in a couple hours. I found that the most important part is preparation of the cut tubing by filing it flat before making the flare. I use the copper-nickel alloy, which bends and flares much easier, especially important when working underneath a vehicle. Number 3. Capri Tools CP21110-316 Double Flaring Tool. This tool is designed for efficiency. It makes creating high-quality double flares quick and easy. It's compatible with 3 16-inch non-stainless steel, nickel, and copper tubing. Perfect for brake lines and more. Its compact size allows for convenient use in various locations, even those hard-to-reach spots. You can use it on or off the vehicle. The detachable die makes it usable with a bench vise for added versatility. It offers flexibility for different working conditions. It's easy to use. All you need are 10mm and 17mm wrenches to get started. You'll be creating perfect flares in no time. It creates flawless 45-degree SAE double flares. Get professional results every time. What we like. It's small and portable, yet produces excellent results. If you value efficiency and precision, this tool will help you create perfect flares quickly and easily, both in and out of the vehicle. It's a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Compact and easy to use. Perfect flare every time. The vise for holding the tubing uses 10mm bolts to compress the fitting. There is no movement of the tubing when the bolts are tightened. Fittings to flare the tubing are strong, solid steel. My first try using this tool was successful. Makes factory quality flares. Used for a double flare on this copper brake line. Number 2. Lisle 33260 Flaring Tool. This flaring tool makes creating single or double flares on 3 16-inch and 1 4-inch tubing quick and easy. It's designed for efficiency and precision, saving you time and effort. Its compact design allows you to flare tubing even in the tightest spaces. This is perfect for those hard-to-reach areas in your vehicle or project. The vise securely holds the tubing in place, ensuring it's centered and preventing damage. This guarantees a clean and accurate flare every time. It features a depth stop to ensure the tubing is the correct length for a perfect flare. This eliminates guesswork and ensures consistent results. It easily handles both single and double flares, giving you the versatility you need for various applications. You'll be ready for any flaring job. See how effortlessly it creates perfect flares. It's the ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. Its low-profile design allows you to flare tubing even in the most confined areas. If you need a tool that provides a secure hold on the tubing and ensures consistent flare depth, this is the one. It's perfect for those tricky jobs where space is limited. What people say. It's simple, consistent, and durable. There's no clumsy fighting with getting it to hold together just right, everything fits precisely, operation is smooth, and results are always perfect. The fact that it can be held firmly and used in smaller confines makes it fantastic for on-the-vehicle repairs where a proper splice repair is much more practical than disassembling things in order to replace a whole section of line. First try this gave me a perfect double flare on 1 4-inch NI cop. There are no leaks, no oblong flares or ovals or crimps or anything out of the ordinary. A perfect flare on first try. The tool is built solid and has a name with history behind it, not some made-up name to make a product look unique. Number 1. TGR Professional Brake Line Flaring Tool. This tool makes creating brake line flares quick and easy. It's perfect for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. It creates single, bubble, and double flares. You'll be prepared for any job. It works with 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 tubing. This makes it incredibly versatile. The T-handle clamp securely holds the die and tube, ensuring a clean flare every time. It's designed for ease of use. Each tool is pre-tested at the factory and includes a sample flare. You can start using it right away. It securely mounts in a vise for hands-free operation. This makes flaring brake lines much easier. What we like. It creates various types of flares and works with multiple tubing sizes. If you need a tool that offers flexibility and ease of use, this one is a great option. The simple design and secure clamp make it easy to create perfect flares every time. What people say. The flares come out great and pretty quick. First off, the tool is heavy duty and looks and feels professional. This tool, however, did a perfect double flare on the first attempt, seriously mind blown. Thought it was beginner's luck, did 2 more in a row and perfect double flares. This tool is way easier to use than other low-end tools. It is compact and fits nicely in its case. The tool is very stable and performs nicely while clamped into a vise. It changes quickly from one size to another by just swapping out dies and turning the dial. It does not leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.